Hi everyone, another Thursday and it's now another time for Juicy Grammar with Stephen. And today we're going to look at how do we pronounce ED in the past tense of regular verbs. I'm going to read a story to you and I would like you to pay particular attention to the words that are in red. There once lived a wise king, and one day 2 women asked to solve a dispute. They came to him with a beautiful baby. Both of them claimed that she was the mother. They wanted the king to help. After thinking for a while, the king called to his guard and said that he needed a sword. He explained that there was only one fair solution. The baby must be cut in 2, each woman receiving 1/2 of the child. The 2 women looked terrified. They watched the king take the sword. One of the women shouted out, "Give the poor baby to her, just don't kill him." The other woman said, and she replied, "Cut the baby in 2. The wise king showed his wisdom and pronounced to everyone the real mother. Do you know who the real mother was? Okay, when I was reading that story, I pronounced the past tense verbs in 3 different ways in some cases. Did you spot it? Lived, asked, claimed, wanted. If you listen very carefully, the last sound in each of those words is slightly different. Look, wanted, wanted. Wanted. Claimed, claimed. Id. D. Claimed. So the last sound there was a D. Can you work out what the last sound in this word is? Asked. That's right. The last sound is a T sound. Can you work out why the T sound is at the end? Can you try and work out why it's D sound in called? And can you work out why it's id in needed? Have you thought about it? Yeah, that's right. The reason why is that if the last sound before the ending ed ends in a voiceless sound, as in ask, asked. If the last sound is a voiced sound, such as call, called, asked, called. And if the last sound ends in d or t, as in needed, or t, as in wanted. So we have 3 pronunciations. T, as in asked or watched. D, as in called. And id, as in needed, wanted. Okay, let's just try 1 or 2 final ones just to see if you've got the idea. In my bowl, I have some verbs. Oh, I hate doing housework. Yesterday, Yes, I hated doing housework. I always play football on Saturdays. Yesterday, played. Yes. Let's try one more. I like eating strawberries, and yesterday I liked. Okay, so there you have it. How to pronounce ed, the past tense ending of verbs in English. Remember the last sound of each word. See you next time.